Welcome to Inner Strength Meditation. Inner strength is the invisible force that keeps you centered, resilient, and unshaken despite external challenges. It is the foundation of your energy, willpower, and emotional balance. However, daily stress, anxiety, resentment, and other low vibrational energies create cracks in your energetic field, allowing your inner strength to leak away, leaving you drained and vulnerable. Just as a fortress weakens when its walls are broken, your energy field weakens when these cracks remain open. Research has shown that emotional regulation techniques, including guided visualization, can help restore energetic balance and improve resilience by positively influencing heart rate, variability, and nervous system coherence. I am Dr. MD, a Guinness World Record holder in supermemory and an expert in cognitive development and subconscious programming. In this guided meditation, I will help you restore and protect your inner strength. Today, we will scan your body, identify these leaks, and seal them using the power of visualization and golden light. This process will not only restore your energy, but also strengthen your inner shield, ensuring that your power remains intact and unshakable. If you want to understand this concept in more detail before or after this meditation, watch the related video on energy leaks and how they affect your life. The link is in the description. Now let's begin the meditation. Begin by finding a quiet, safe place where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably or lie down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Hold for a moment and exhale slowly. Feel your body relaxing. Now, bring your awareness to your breath. Let it flow naturally in and out, grounding you in the present moment. With every inhale, feel a sense of calm entering your body. And with every exhale, release any tension or heaviness you might be carrying. Now, begin scanning your body. Start with your chest. Do you feel any tightness or heaviness? This is where sadness, grief, or anxiety often settle, creating an energy leak. Now, move your awareness to your shoulders. Are they tense or stiff? This is where you carry burdens of the past, responsibilities, failures, and expectations that no longer serve you. Now, shift your focus to your stomach. Is there a knot of discomfort? This often represents fear. Fear of failure, fear of the unknown, fear of judgment. These areas where you feel tension are points where your energy is leaking. Visualize them as small cracks in your energetic field. Now, imagine a warm golden light beginning to flow through your body. This golden light is pure energy, filled with strength, confidence, and healing power. Watch as it slowly fills every crack, sealing the leaks and making your energy whole again. As the golden light flows, your inner strength is restored. The more the cracks are sealed, the more resilient and unshakable you become. Take a deep breath in and feel this golden light expanding within you, reinforcing your energy field. Now, visualize a protective shield forming around you, an impenetrable aura of pure, radiant light. This shield does not just defend you, it radiates confidence, clarity, and strength. Feel this powerful presence surrounding you, keeping your inner strength intact. Now, with your eyes still closed, imagine stepping forward into your day, fully protected, fully aligned. No matter what comes your way, no matter what challenges arise, your energy remains sealed and unshaken. See yourself moving through your day with absolute certainty, no longer vulnerable to negativity or doubt. Take one final deep breath in. Hold and exhale. This shift is a permanent part of you now. When you are ready, gently open your eyes and return to the present moment. Your inner strength is now intact and your energy is whole again. If you felt a shift, take a moment to acknowledge it. This meditation is a practice. Return to it whenever you feel drained or vulnerable, and over time, your inner strength will become unbreakable. Keep protecting your energy and remember, you are powerful beyond measure. If you are ready to take this transformation even deeper, Foundation X is where you master not only energy alignment, but also emotional intelligence, subconscious reprogramming, and high performance strategies for success. This isn't just about temporary relief, it is about rewiring your mind to operate at peak potential, so you can break free from limitations and live a life of power and purpose. Join Foundation X and step into the highest version of yourself. The link is in the description. I'll see you soon. Until next time, take charge.